Josie! What you doing? Josie, look at Mama. Hey, move the umbrella. Are you playing in the rain? Alright, let's go find a puddle. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is not a good idea. Okay. There's a puddle out here. This way. Go down the driveway. Come on, let's go. This way. Are you getting wet? One puddle. Come on. There's a big puddle. You hear the thunder? Look at that puddle. Woo! It's cold. Splash. Want the umbrella? Let me see you splash. Look at me. Ooh. All right, let's go in.